Looking for an affordable brand new home in Central Florida? Winter Haven is one of the best places to start your search. This growing city offers several new home communities where buyers can still find homes priced under $300,000. My name is Sandy Giff, and I am a licensed realtor servicing buyers, sellers, and investors in the Central Florida area.
Winter Haven continues to attract first-time buyers because it combines affordability with newer homes and expanding neighborhoods.
The city continues to grow with new shopping, restaurants, healthcare, and employment opportunities. Located between Tampa and Orlando, Winter Haven gives residents convenient access to both major metropolitan areas. Many new construction homes include open floor plans, energy-efficient features, and modern finishes. Depending on the community, you may even find quick move-in homes that are available much sooner than building your own custom house from scratch. Homes under $300,000 can offer excellent value compared to many other Central Florida cities.
Many homes include private backyards that are perfect for relaxing, entertaining, or spending time with family. Several neighborhoods feature parks, walking paths, playgrounds, and community amenities.
Healthcare facilities and medical services continue expanding alongside Winter Haven's growing population. Many buyers appreciate having schools located near newer communities, making everyday routines more convenient for families. Working from home? Many newer floor plans include flexible spaces that easily transform into comfortable home offices. Winter Haven continues to be a popular destination for first-time homebuyers looking for affordability and modern living.
Depending on the builder and community, incentives may be available that could help lower your upfront costs or monthly payment.
Getting pre-approved before you start shopping helps you understand your budget and makes the buying process much smoother.
Buying a brand new home often means updated construction standards and fewer maintenance concerns during the first several years, giving you peace of mind in your new property. Winter Haven continues to attract buyers looking for affordability, newer homes, and a growing community. One of the biggest advantages of buying in Winter Haven is that you can still find brand new construction homes under $300,000. Many of these homes feature open concept layouts, spacious kitchens, and modern finishes that today's buyers are looking for in the current real estate market for new properties. Several Winter Haven communities continue to offer homes below the $300,000 price point. With dozens of new home communities throughout Winter Haven, buyers have a variety of floor plans, home sizes, and neighborhoods to choose from.
Available inventory and pricing change frequently, so it is always a good idea to check what is currently available before making a final decision for your home purchase.
If you're hoping to buy a brand new home in Central Florida without stretching your budget, Winter Haven deserves a spot at the top of your list. While prices can change, there are still opportunities to find new construction homes under $300,000 in select Winter Haven communities.
Even at an affordable price point, many homes feature open living spaces, modern kitchens, spacious primary suites, and attached two-car garages.
Many homes also include private backyards, giving you space to relax, entertain guests, or spend time with family, which truly makes a house feel like a home. I'm Sandy Giff, and I help buyers compare builders, communities, and available new construction homes throughout the Central Florida area. I'll help you compare floor plans, builder incentives, available inventory, and communities so you can make the right decision.
If you're searching for a brand new home under $300,000, Winter Haven is one of the best places to start your search in Central Florida. Because inventory changes frequently, new homes under $300,000 can become available throughout the year. Staying updated gives you the best chance to find the right home.
And if you would like to see which new construction homes under $300,000 are available today in Winter Haven, I would love to help. Contact us today.